Okay, we are going to be looking at using Padlet. If you haven't done it forever or never before at all, this is kind of like a good place to put a lot of thoughts and ideas. So the first thing you want is to get the link from your teacher, and then it will take you to something that might look like this. There are different backgrounds that can be chosen along with different ways it can be set up depending on what your teacher is preferring. In this case, we're going to be looking at Mars Patel. And the first thing that we need to do is look for a GIF for our superpower that will be on the island. So we're going to go over to add a post. And this is originally what they look like if you're just going to type or add a link or upload something. But we specifically want to go over here for all of our options. And because we're looking for a GIF, we're going to go to Google. And here it says we can search images, videos, audio, GIFs, and web. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click on GIFs and type in our superpower. So I would like to do teleporting. And we want to find one that we like, make sure it's school appropriate, go to next if there's not one that you like here, and just click on it and it will enter right there. On your title, you want to put it what it is that you would like for your awesome superpower. Sometimes we might write something right here. We're not going to do that today because we're doing something else. So go ahead and click off of that. Then go to add another one. And you're going to this time do a voice recording. So your options are to use a microphone on a headset, either yours or from the classroom, or you can go against a wall in the classroom, put your back against it, and record that way. It'll have better audio than if you're sitting in the middle of class without a headset. So click on that. Right now it is showing the voice audio on here, but it's not recording yet. You have to push the button. So once we push it, then we describe why we think this would be useful for rescuing or searching for Aurora and Jonas. So I think that teleporting would be amazing because we could get on and off the island super quick without having to worry about a missing boat. And we could also go and we could inspect different houses or maybe the principal's office and see what other information they might have in there as well. And then you go ahead and stop the recording. You can decide if you don't like it to discard and restart it, or you can do playback and save. It's up to you. You want to enter another title. In this case, we're going to do teleporting again, and then push save. It's going to be right over here. You'll see the audio in just a minute. There. Then you want to make sure you move your stuff so it's all together. You'll be able to see other people's GIFs, but we're not going to be commenting on those. We're actually going to be commenting specifically on the recordings. So you'll want to find 3 other people, listen to their audio by pushing play, and then respond to it with a comment here. Okay, so maybe I would say something like, I wonder what other information might be in the principal's office. Such intrigue. Okay, and we push the arrow to submit that, and it's going to sit on there. You'll need to find a total of 3 other people's recordings to listen to and add a comment onto. And make sure it's something meaningful, not just, oh, cool idea. That's not something we want to see. I want to see you thinking about that skill or special superpower and how that might help within our story. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask a partner or call me over and ask me.